I had complete upper and lower dental implants, porcelain, so a full mouth complete implant. I chose Gordon Dental because I had came in about 3 years ago for a preliminary just to get an idea. And at that time I really wasn't committed to making such a big decision. But then about a year and 2 months ago, I finally had made the decision, and I checked 2 or 3 other places, and I came in, and within 10 minutes of being here, I knew I'd found the right place to come. I was held back doing this because the financial part of it, it's a big commitment, but then you realize how important it is, and that became secondary. Then I made a decision to do something for myself. And that's when it was like, okay, we're gonna do this. So the procedure of starting this was, the consultation was wonderful. I actually brought one of my sons with me. I have 4 kids, and they want to be a part of it because it's such a big deal. So they got to meet the people at Gordon Dental, from Dr. Philip Gordon to his staff. So the consultation was so comforting and so reassuring that after that initial consultation, I was committed. Well, having come to Gordon, Dr. Philip Gordon, for the procedure, I knew I was coming to the right place, and so my stress level had been reduced greatly. But I've had a good life my entire life, so let me clarify that by saying it's definitely had a profound effect on my life. But what it changed was my personality and my confidence. I've been doing what I do for 20, 30 years, and I've had to camouflage that because of my insecurities of my teeth. So what changed, that I had no idea the confidence it would bring back to you. You don't know that until you do it. But I had camouflaged it for so long, it was life-changing and is life-changing. For people who are considering the implant surgery, dental surgery, I would recommend highly that you do some good research. Don't just pick one and say this is it. I highly recommend that you do some research like I did. It was clear after I did my research that really, in my opinion, no one came close to what Dr. Gordon and his staff assured me they could do before and after, and was without a doubt, there was no second guessing it. So that's the key. Do your research and then go to Dr. Gordon. I would recommend them for a number of reasons, but they became more of a friend and family. From Dr. Gordon to Susie, Lauren, Marissa, Steve, Ryan, and my family, my kids became friends with them too. It was a complete coming together of people to form friends, family, and my doctor.